Happy Friday. Your friend Lamar Gunn here, bringing you this market update here on March 27th. Was not a great day in the stock market today as stocks fell 915 points. The Dow closed down 915. However, that's not any reason for you to fret that was somewhat expected with the run up we've had this week over the last few days. To give some of that back because of profit taking and some other forces, it should not shock uh, folks who are long-term investors. We kind of expect, to see vicissitudes in the markets, meaning some ups and downs over the course of, days, weeks, months, and I can tell you, even years. All right, but long term, if you stay the course, buy quality companies at a discount, you'll be more than okay. All right, and that's what I want you to do. So, part of me doing these updates each day, I'm trying to do it. I can't promise that these are coming every day because guess what? I got a few kids and a full business to run and clients to take care of. But I will try to chime in to help, beginning investors better understand the market. I have to point out, and I actually, let me back up. I want to send a super shout out to healthcare workers who have been stepping up on the front lines of this whole pandemic, stepping into the storm to protect us from this common enemy. And I can't imagine, having a spouse or a loved one that's going out, knowing what they're faced with, with all of this pandemic and having to work 8, 10, 12 hours a day. So my hat goes off to all those healthcare workers. I'm sending you a lot of virtual love. As to the markets, ups and downs this week, right? So don't panic, right? There's something I want you to graduate into, which is making money in the stock market as stocks go up and as they go down. All right. Think about this for a second. Which industries are under pressure because of this whole shelter in place? Like, who's not making money? If you're not making money, right, you're going to have an earnings hit when it comes time to report. Or just each day we can see, we know who's not open for business during this time. Those businesses are struggling. You can make money as those companies decline in price. It's just not simply, because the malls are closed and Foot Locker's closed and so forth, Nike's price is under some sort of duress. So, I can buy it at this depressed price. Over time, I believe that Nike will go up. That's how some of us are thinking, right? We believe that we buy or invest in a company, it goes up in price, and that's how we make money. No, just think about for a second the companies that are also, under some sort of pressure and their stock price will go down. You can profit from that as well. So I'd like for you to give you a little homework assignment. Think about companies whose doors are closed right now and present you with opportunities to make money to the downside. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm sure there's the haters out there that will say, well, Lamar, why are you, looking to profit from companies struggling? I'm not, right? I'm pretty sure many of these companies will rebound at some point. But as for right now, my job is to identify the opportunities for you to make money. All right, as I have to do for my clients. I'm just sharing with you some of the strategies that the big guys use so that you can also take those same tools and go to work. One other thing I'd like for you to look at is the insider buying. So that's called following the money. What are the big guys doing? So when executives and large institutional buyers are buying shares in companies, that's a good sign. So look for that. Hopefully, as we go on over the next few days, remind me to talk about that. Send me a message and I'll break that down for you as well. The benefit or importance of what's called insider buying. So, my kid's waiting for me to go on a nice bike ride. I've been at work. It's been a rough and trying week. So, I got to. I'm going way over already, but hopefully I've been able to help you somewhat in getting you off the fence and into the market. If you still need a swift kick, call me. I'll give you a virtual kick, bang, bang to get you into investing because over time, this is the way to change your life and so that you can live the life that you want and control your own legacy by creating generational wealth. I'm Lamar Gunn, and as always, I'm wishing you health and wealth. Be well, friends.